As travelers at Kennedy Airport rush to make their flights, many now worry if measles might be on board.
It's scary. I think there's been a lot of misinformation out there about the vaccines.
Especially JFK, so many people, so much congestion coming and going. That's always a concern.
Especially on international flights, I get really worried about that.
The Israel Ministry of Health says a 43-year-old flight attendant for LL Airlines was seemingly healthy before getting a fever March 31st. Due to complications from the measles, she's now been in a coma for 10 days and needs a respirator because she can't breathe on her own.
I'm all taken care of as far as all the vaccinations from the time I'm a child.
But before coming to the airport, Jack Davis asked his doctor to make sure.
Because I understand that you get one shot, but you can get 2 shots.
According to the CDC, 2 doses of the MMR vaccine are about 97% effective at preventing measles, while 1 dose is about 93% effective. It's been standard practice to get 2 doses since 1989, but Brooklyn pediatrician Dr. TJ Gold says many people born before then are unsure if they're up to date.
But I have many parents that do not know what their vaccine status is. If they have records, it would be wonderful to check and make sure you've had that second booster.
Doctors say measles is a particularly hard outbreak to stop because symptoms appear about 10 to 12 days after exposure.
So you have a longer, infectivity and incubation, so it's a wider chance of spreading things.
So should you get the booster if you think you've already been exposed?
By the time you're starting to receive immunity from the vaccine, there can be some crossover. So it would only be helpful.
Dr. Gold also said there is no need for anyone to get a 3rd MMR shot, but it is not harmful to get in case you don't have access to your medical records. As for that flight attendant, Israeli health officials say they do not believe she spread the measles to any passengers on the airline's flights. We're live outside Kennedy Airport. Bauman, CBS 2 News.